I think the animation shows again. Like when you enter the game again, I think it shows. So that's my mission, to let you guys see the rocket launch. That's my mission. Like and subscribe, please. Very helps me out. Because I'm showing you the rocket launch, so please like and subscribe. And also share my channel. Oh god. Okay, so I'm going to go into a private lobby so nobody's arguing with anybody. That keeps happening in my last videos. It's really annoying. So I'm just going to go into a private lobby, which is my lobby. The lobby that I own. You do not... So, watch to the end of the video, because you do not want to miss it. No! It's gone, it won't let me show you it. No! What the hell is that? That's ruined it. I want to see it. I have no... I'm just not gonna go into a private lobby, see if it launches. If it doesn't, no. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be really sad and really sorry for you guys. But trust me, if it does work, it's really cool. Honestly, it's just amazing. Some YouTubers, some other VR YouTubers might have already shown it on the channel. But, yeah. Yeah, look, this is it.
Okay?
Whoa, let's go. There it goes. Bye-bye. Say bye, everybody. Have a nice time in space, or heaven, or wherever you're going. This is amazing. This is amazing how I just got to watch the rocket leave. That's really cool. But some kids singing Run Rabbit. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that was actually pretty cool. I enjoyed that. That was really cool. Like and subscribe to me. Let's join my code. Yeah, please like and subscribe, because this is just amazing how I've gotten the chance, how we've actually gotten the chance to watch the rocket launch. Or you could, what if you were in the private lobby and then it just flew up there? Might have been able to watch it. Oh my god. Yeah. Goodbye.